What's going on, boaters? This is Dylan at MarineMax Dallas. We're standing in front of an all-new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. All white, beautiful, classy look. Real sharp jaw lines on this. Let's jump inside and check it out. So inside the SDX 230, it's pretty cool because whether it's a 23-foot model or the 27-foot model, you get the same helm and the same head. So you got a big variety in feet between the 23 and the 270, but you still get a lot of the same options, which is really nice. Bench seat type layout, easy to move back and forth, captain's chair, co-captain's chair. We've got this one decked out in the SeaDek. Super sporty look, very classy look. Twin Simrads here. You can have one with your engine diagnostics, one with your map, so it's easy to navigate the water. Really big bow area up here in the front. Tons of room. I like the walk through a little bit to the side. It's a very neat layout. Sports tower here for all your water sports. If you guys want to come check out this boat and many others just like it right here at MarineMax Dallas, please do come see us.